Tic-tac-toe, 3 words in a row. Bicycle, tricycle, popsicle. One has 2 wheels, one has 3. The last one is cold and yummy, have 'em with me. Tic-tac-toe, 3 words in a row. Opportunity, community, and unity. One is a chance, one is a group of people. The last one means to come together. We are all equal. Tic-tac-toe, 3 words in a row. Smart, clever, and bright. One is good at studying, you like to read and write. One is Maritsuki, you quick to understand. The last one means a chef who likes to run to Japan. I did it. Bye.